Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, April 29th. Well, very interesting trading in this market today. As we said previously, the market was in a second time frame downtrend as evidenced by a series of lower peaks and lower troughs. Today, the market took out the previous peak, which meant that we had a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. So the market is now in a second time frame uptrend as well as a first time frame uptrend. We have on a candle to candle basis, we have a higher high and a higher low. We have here a trough, a peak, a higher trough and a higher peak. And once the market took out that peak, we had a second time frame uptrend in place. Now importantly for this market, if it does rally, we have strong resistance here around the 134 level, and then around the 136 level, and very, very strong resistance here around roughly about 137 or so, 137 and a half or so. I think this market will at least rally to this level and probably up around here. Now importantly, if we look at the configuration of our two lines, a Kijun-sen and a Tenkan-sen, both are pointing in different directions. Now that basically means that the longer time frame is still basically pointing down, so there's still a little bit of downside momentum here. If we drew a trend line here, we could see that the trend line drawn down through this area, which would probably still be in force, and it's actually just touched on that just today. So important if we see a break of that. But with these two lines pointing in both different directions, it means that there's a little bit of indecision in the market, but probably denotes very short-term strength, upside strength, and a bit of momentum. The direction of the angle of the Tenkan-sen can be quite important. Now, interestingly, once again, we've broken through the top of the cloud or the Kumo, but as we said previously, that Kumo there was so thin that we'd expect to see quite a strong break of it. But we might see this Kumo act as an area of support for this market from now on, especially considering that this line is very flat and it's close by. We might see this trend develop even further. So I think there's probably good potential for upside for the Euro FX.